What's up, everybody? So today I'm here with a Cubanelle pepper overview. I wanted to come and check out this plant I have. So right now it has 4 large peppers on it. 1, 2, there's a green one down here. 3, you can see one turning back here, and then right behind that one, 4. So I started the seeds for this. I started the seed for this on December 22nd, 2018, over the winter, and I transplanted it out in March, I believe, once the weather warmed up. So this plant is kind of heavy. Although it only has 4 peppers on it, this plant is kind of heavy. So I have it on a stake here. It's tied to the base of the plant. It was leaning like that, so I had to put it back. But yeah, so I was just doing a video and I had to restart it because a spider jumped out and scared me. It was a big one, but he's not here anymore, so he's not on the pepper anymore. Of course, I leave him to guard the plants. I wanted to pluck this one because I noticed it was being eaten into just now. So I'm hoping that the inside is still good here. I'm gonna use what I can from it. But all the other 3 are very fine. They're doing great. As far as taste, I believe I only ate 1 of these. I may have eaten 2 of them. So I've had fruit off of this plant. So I probably had up to 6 peppers up to now. And from what I can recall, this pepper is very sweet. I don't want to try this one right now because it was eaten into, and I'm not sure if something is in there, and I don't want to bite into anything or whatnot. But it's definitely sweet. I'll do another video of me harvesting this one, and I'll try this one fresh from the garden for y'all. I'll try it. All right, guys. So the seeds of this was grown from, I acquired them from Baker Creek. And the plant is growing very strong. I mean, there's nothing much to complain about, nothing at all to complain about. I mean, it's not as prolific as you would want a pepper plant to be, but I mean, it's putting out pepper. So, and I'm pretty sure once it gets larger, I should have some larger flushes coming from this plant, especially since I'll be able to overwinter it, since peppers overwinter so well out here. All right, guys, so that's my Cubanelle pepper plant. Come grab me a Sugar Rush peach so I can cook with. I've been picking these young because I want the plant to actually grow up larger also, which it is doing. And you can see it's putting out more flower clusters. Let's see. Cubanelle is it's slow to flower. That's one thing I can say for sure. It's slow to flower, but it does put them out when the plant is empty. Yeah, it actually looks like it's beginning to put out more flower clusters that are too small for the camera to see. But within about 2 or 3 days, oh look, here's another Cubanelle forming. So that's a Cubanelle right there, and then you can see here there's two flower clusters. Let's see this camera. I can't see the screen, guys, but it's 2 flower clusters if the camera is looking at my finger. All right, so it's putting them out. So I assume within the next month I should have at least 12 newly formed Cubanelles hanging from this plant. All right, so that's my update for this variety today, guys. If anything else comes up in the garden, I'll let you know.